Loudly.
All Indians, sir, my brothers and sisters, I love my country and I am proud of its rich varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to parents, teachers, and all my elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion, their well-being, and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning, everyone. Today's international national news is brought to you by Valley of Grade 7 Jasper representing SHURA House. International news. Russians enter North Korea in first foreign tour group since COVID. Prince Harry accepts substantial damages to settle mirror hacking case. National news. Could the preamble have been amended without changing its date of adoption, asked the Supreme Court. Thank you and have a good day.
Happy morning, one and all. This is Mashira of Grade 8 Jasper, brought you state and sports news, representing Shura House. State news. Telangana CM Revant launches online gold offering to Sammaka Saraka. Sports news. First ever international icon honor goes to spin wizard Muralitharan. Thank you.
Today's weather report is brought to you by Kirtan of Grade 8 Toppers representing Shura House. Maximum temperature 37 degrees, minimum temperature 35 degrees Celsius, mostly sunny. That's it, end of news bulletin.
Today's thought is brought to you by Janvi from Grade 6 Sapphire representing Shura House. Thought, we need that education by which character is formed. Thank you.
Today's word is brought to you by Young Krishna of Grade 7 Sapphire representing Shura House. Today's word, significant, meaning particular. Friends, please spell after me. SIG NIFICANT. Significant. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Kaushik of representing Shura House. Today's amazing facts are brought to you by Kaushik representing Shura House. Fact number 1. Cats have 32 muscles in each ear. Fact number 2. Hummingbird cannot walk. Fact number 3. Giraffe has the highest blood pressure than any other animals. Fact number 4. Popcorn was invented by Aztec Indians. Fact number 5. Blue whale create the loudest sound of any mammal. Thank you.
Today's GK questions are brought to you by Kirtana Royal of Grade 8 Sapphire representing Shura House. Question for Grade 6. Who created Bitcoin? I repeat my question. Who created Bitcoin? You didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is Santoshi Nakamoto. Question for Grade 7. Nifty is the index of which Indian stock market? I repeat the question. Nifty is the index of which Indian stock market? You didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is NSE. Question for Grade 8. Where CES 2024 event held at? I repeat my question. Where is CES 2024 event held at? And you didn't pick the right answer, and the answer is January 9 to 12, 2024 in Las Vegas. Question for Grade 9. Where is India's Silicon Valley located at? I repeat my question. Where is India's Silicon Valley located at? You picked the right answer, and the answer is Bangalore. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Nandini of grade 10 Junior Jasper and here to say you about article on discipline representing Shura House. Discipline is a behavior that encourages people to obey the set rules by an authority. It is important for everyone path of life and helps to achieve success and fulfill dreams. Self-discipline helps in increasing confidence in people. For a student, it is the parents and teachers who teach discipline. A disciplined person can stay focused and stay committed to goals. It also helps in shaping the personality of a student. Thus, discipline is helpful. Generally, a student is taught discipline at school. Those who are obedient at school can learn discipline. Thus, a good and healthy life can be achieved if a person is disciplined. And thank you and have a good.
Now doctors come up onto stage. That is the statue of Gandhi and the hand is broken. So doctor cannot fix it. Next the police come up. Even he can also cannot fix it. Next the lawyer come up. He cannot fix it. Next the teacher comes. She can also cannot fix it. Next the carpenter comes up. So the carpenter can fix it. So by this we understand that if doctor cannot do the carpenter work, teacher cannot do the carpenter work. So carpenter work can do done by only carpenter. So every work is equal. Thank you.
Representing UGRA House. Wait, India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are. All Indians are. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am. Proud of. This rich. Very rich. I shall always. Try to be. Worthy of it. I shall give my parents. Teachers. And all elders. Respect until everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. India will be untrustworthy, alone as my happiness. Jai Hind. Good evening everyone. Today international and national news is brought to you by E. Vaishnav, grade 5 representing UGRA. International news. Russia has no interest. White war. Put in interview with American journalist. National news. Bharat Ratna Dinji Linia says Jayan Sonia welcomes announcement. Thank you. Have a bright day. My name is Gurcharan, representing UGRA House. State news. 5 dead violence of demolition of illegal structures in Uttarakhand, Haryana. Sports news. Shreyas Iyer complains of stiff back and groin pain likely to miss last 3 tests. Happy morning to everyone. Today weather report is brought to you by Dean Mallikarjun of Grade 3rd Hazel representing UGRA House. Weather report. Minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 37 degrees Celsius. Thank you. To all, I am Tarun from Grade 4 Choral representing UGRA House. Word. Compare. Meaning. Assess the similarity between something. Friends, please spell after me. Compare. Compare. C-O-M. C-O-M. P-A-R-E. R-E. Compare. Compare. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. I am of grade 5 choral. I am saying success is not ending, it is a part of life. And repeat again, success is not a ending, is a part of life. Thank you. Thought is brought to you by Jayan representing UGRA House. Thought, what you have done is nothing compared to what you can do. Thank you. I am Kumar of grade 3 representing UGRA House. I am here to check your general knowledge. Question for grade 1. Which animal has a tongue? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is elephant. Let us appreciate this. Question for grade 2. Which state is known as God's own country? Kerala. Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Kerala. Let us appreciate this. Question for grade 3. Which country is known as land of rising sun? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Japan. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 4. Which state is known as largest producer of wheat in India? Right answer and the answer is Rajasthan. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 5. What was the real name of Gautam Buddha? What was the real name of Gautam Buddha? Sorry, you did not pick any answer and the answer is Chandragupta. Thank you. Have a wonderful Saturday. Good morning to all. Today our activity is on golden words. Friends, can you say some golden words? Excuse me. Sorry. Yes, welcome. Yes, you are correct. Today we are going to sing a song on these words. If you want something, what you will say, what you will say. I will say please, ding dong ding, ding dong ding.
When you hurt someone, what do you say? What do you say? I will say please, I will say sorry, ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Please, when you hear not sneeze, what will you say? What will you say? I will say excuse me, ding dong ding, ding dong ding.
When you got something, what do you say? What do you say? I will say thank you. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding.
Friends, please stretch your hands and repeat after me.